Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about spring and farmhouse decor, budget friendly, so I hope you enjoy this video. First up, we're going to be taking these beautiful rub-ons that I got from a company called Essential Stencils, and I will link their website in my description box. Okay, so I'm going to grab this canvas. It's 8 by 10 from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to remove the canvas from the frame. I'm just going to cut the sides of the canvas with my X-Acto knife and just remove the canvas. I'm going to take a baby wipe with some antique wax and just kind of like make it look like a stain. Now I'm going to place the frame on the canvas, and I'm just going to use hot glue to place it down. Now I'm going to place some hot glue at the back of the frame, and then I'm going to place it right on top of the canvas. This is my Cricut, and I created a saying that says life is better on a farm. I'm just going to place it at the top on the canvas. Now I'm going to grab these rub-ons and I'm going to cut out the one that I'm going to be using. I decided to use the one that has the cow, the chicken, and the pig. I thought it was really cute and perfect for this DIY. So I'm going to cut it out and then I'm going to place it right on top of the canvas. So these rub-ons really work well. I really was impressed. They're like my favorite. So it's really easy to apply them on any surface. So I'm just going to use a Cricut tool, I believe I'm going to use, and just scrape. You just got to make sure that you scrape it enough where it comes off. And this is how it came out. It came out so pretty. I love the colors and everything is so vibrant. So perfect for farmhouse decor. For this one, we're going to be using a Dollar Tree tile. They came out with this different tile. It has the blue accent and a Dollar Tree round wood sign that I got from last summer. And I'm going to use these two for this project. So I'm just going to remove the string from the round circle, and then I'm going to take the tile out of the package. Now I'm just going to trace out the tile. I'm going to place the round sign on top of the tile and trace it out and cut it. To place the tile down on that little round sign, I'm just going to use my hot glue gun. I'm just going to place it right on top. I think this tile is so pretty. The blue color is such a pretty color. Now I'm going to be using this little candlestick holder that I got from Dollar Tree and some Dollar Tree nautical rope, the skinny one. To make it look more farmhouse, that's why I'm using the nautical rope, and to hide the imperfection of the tile around the trim of it. So I'm just going to place it on the outer edge of the wood round and just use a little hot glue to place it down. Now I'm going to grab that candlestick holder and I'm going to place that right underneath. But I'm going to flip it over and place some glue at the bottom, and then place some glue on the candlestick holder and place it on top. Off camera, I added a little jute twine to the candlestick holder. This is how it came out. I think it came out amazing for farmhouse. You can add anything on top, some plants, some flowers. For this one, we're going to take a Dollar Tree little barn plaque. I got this around Valentine's Day, and I'm going to be using the rub-ons again. I paint this with the antique white, and then the top of the barn I was going to paint it with a barn red color, but in the end I didn't like it, so basically I just painted the barn white chalk paint and the top of the barn was black. I'm going to be using those rub-ons, and I decided to use the cow that's sitting down. I'm going to cut him out, and then I'm going to place him at the bottom of the barn. I'm going to reveal what it looks like. This came out so stinking cute. I love it. Now I'm going to grab these stamps that I got from Dollar Tree. Came out with so many different stamps, and I'm so excited to use them. So I'm going to pull them out of the package, and this is what they look like. I'm going to start cutting them down. They don't have the protection in the back like a normal stamp would, so you have to actually cut them individually. Now I'm going to spell out the word farm. Now I'm going to place each letter into the ink pad and place it on the plaque. Now I was going to use my Cricut, and then I said no, let me just try to use the stamps to make this more budget friendly, because a lot of people don't have a Cricut machine. This gives you an idea. Other things you can use. They work very easy, and they do leave a little mark around the edges, but that's okay. You can always touch it up. But I think they work very well, and I think this came out super cute. For this DIY, I'm going to grab this Timo wallpaper. I think it's so pretty, so farmhouse. I will leave their website in my description box, and I'm going to use this Dollar Tree wood piece and a wood hoop and some twine. You can always use Dollar Tree wallpaper. They have a lot of selections, and now I'm just going to place the piece of wood on top of the wallpaper and just cut it out because I'm going to cover the whole entire wood piece. So all I'm going to do is just kind of like fold it over the wood piece, just like I'm wrapping a present. The stand I have some handles, so I grabbed that hoop and I cut them in half and made two little handles, and it was actually easy to cut. Now I'm grabbing some wood beads for the feet for the tray, and I'm going to stain them both with the antique wax. After I apply the antique wax, I'm just going to take a towel and wipe off most of the antique wax. Now I'm going to start hot gluing down those wood beads for the feet for the tray. So I'm going to take the handles and grab some jute twine, and I'm going to wrap a little jute twine on each end of the handles just to give it a little more character to it. I like it this way. It was kind of blending in with the wallpaper, so I needed something to make it stand out a little bit. Now I'm just going to hot glue the handles down to the tray. And there you have it, a quick and easy farmhouse little tray. You can place plants, picture frames, or anything on top. Right, for this one, we're going to make a blessed sign. I grabbed these little rub-ons from Dollar Tree. They're so pretty. And I'm going to be using these stickers from Dollar Tree. There's two sides to them. There's Blessed Family, and then the other side says Thankful. Just going to use the Blessed Family side and a Dollar Tree sign. So I'm going to remove the backing from the sign, remove the piece that's in front, save that for another DIY, because I'm going to be tracing out a piece of foam sheet that I got from Hobby Lobby. Place the foam sheet in the back of the sign. I'm just going to use the glue stick. I'm going to take that rub-on and remove it from the plastic, place it in the middle of the wood piece, and start. I lost my scraper from Cricut. I couldn't find it, so I'm just using a piece of wood. You can use anything, but I don't know what I did with it. You know, my craft room is a mess. So I'm just going to scrape it, place it on that piece, and this is how it came out. It's so pretty. I'm going to take the stickers, I'm going to take the Blessed Family, and I'm going to place it right over the top of that rub-on. So to apply these words, I just used some transfer tape to make it easy. Now I'm going to place those flowers at the corner instead of on the side of them. I'm going to place one to the left at the corner and to the right at the bottom. Now I'm going to place everything back into the frame, and that is it. Very quick and easy, adorable spring home decor. Okay, last DIY, grab this stencil from Hobby Lobby. I have another one that I decided to use instead of that one, using a Dollar Tree picture frame and some foam sheets from Hobby Lobby. I can't find my white poster board, so I'm just going to use these sheets from Hobby Lobby. I'll remove the glass and the backing from the sign because I'm going to paint the frame with the black chalkboard paint from Dollar Tree. So I cut out a piece of that foam sheet and I'm going to start using the stencil. This is the one I decided to use. I taped it so it doesn't move. Just going to go up and down motion with a stencil brush with the black chalkboard paint. Now I'm going to remove the stencil. So I wanted to add just a little bit of yellow, so I'm going to use the pale daffodil color, and I'm just going to put a little bit at the ends of the flower just to give it a little color, and I think it looks so pretty. Alright, I'm going to put everything back into the frame. I think it looks so pretty. You can make a couple of these if you have some similar frames. They look so pretty on your wall. Super pretty. I love the way it came out. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Take care, everyone. I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.